Hi, Chi. Good evening. Hello. Good evening.
Evening.
Yes. How are you tonight, Chi? How are you?
Um,
How are you? Are you happy?
Happy.
Okay, that's good to hear that you're happy. Can you hear teacher? Can you hear
Yeah.
me? Yes. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, Chi.
Yellow, brown, white, tan, green, red, and orange.
Okay, yellow.
Yellow, brown, white, tan, green, red, and orange.
Wow, that's good to hear. Okay.
It is
Wait a minute, okay? Mr. Hong texted me. Wait a minute.
Oh, what is this?
Okay, so are you ready, Chi, with our lesson for tonight? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Wow, that's good to hear. Okay, so this evening, Chi, we will have a check up too, okay? 4 units. Yeah, check up 2. Units 3 and 4. Okay, please read letter A. Listen. Come on, you read.
Listen,
Then
listen, say
say
the
the words. Words.
word.
Okay. Listen, then.
Yeah. Brown, white, tan, green, red, and orange.
Wow, very good. Okay, so since you
These
already
are
knew, yeah,
and one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
yes. Okay, so let's spell yellow. Come on, Chi, let's spell yellow.
Bishop,
Yeah,
Bishop.
yeah. What is it?
Um, I do, I don't know a camera. I don't know camera.
You have camera. I can see you. Teacher can see you.
I, I, I don't know see you.
You can see me.
Okay.
Okay, now. Okay. Okay. Number 1. Let's spell number 1. This one is
Yellow, brown,
color.
white, tan, green, red, and orange.
Okay, so let's spell first
Bishop,
now. Yes, Chi, listen to teacher. Let's spell yellow. Spell yellow.
yellow,
Y,
brown, white,
L,
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 L, I,
O, O,
O,
W.
W.
Yeah, that one, yellow. Okay, it's number 2. What is number 2? What color is it?
Brown,
Okay, let's
B,
B.
B,
Yes. R, R, R,
R,
R. What's next?
um,
O,
O,
W. What letter is that?
E,
W.
W.
Hmm? What letter?
Five,
What letter?
brown,
N. Okay, number 3, 5. Okay, let's spell 5.
F,
F,
A,
I,
I,
V.
F,
V. V.
F,
V.
N,
V. Then
N,
A. A. Yeah, number 4.
10.
Spell 10. Spell.
T
E.
E N.
Very good. Okay, number 5. Spell.
3.
3. Spell 3. Spell 3. T.
E
H.
H.
R.
Oh.
What letter is that? R. Letter
R.
R. Okay, letter R. Then E. E.
E. E.
Number
Red.
6. 6. You spell red.
E.
R.
E. D.
Very good.
R. E. D.
Yeah, wait a minute. Wait.
E.
R.
R. E. E. D.
D. Okay, number 7.
8.
8. Yeah, spell number 8. You spell
A.
E. E.
E.
Yeah. G. G. What letter is that? G. G. Letter?
G.
G. H. 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 Letter? What letter is that? H. 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 The sound is H. H. Letter? H. And T. 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 What letter is that? T. Letter?
R is T.
Yeah, letter T. Very good. Okay, number 8.
Orange.
Yeah, you spell
R.
orange.
R. R. O. A.
A. What letter is that? And G. G. G.
G.
A.
E.
Okay, very good. Okay, that one. Okay, so let's read. Okay, you read. Number 1.
Yellow. Brown.
good.
White. Tan. Green. Red. And orange.
Yes, very good. Okay, so those are the spelling tree, okay? Spelling of the words. Okay, you read letter B. You read letter B. Read letter B. Listen. Letter B. Listen. Can't hear you, G. Teacher can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Yes.
Okay. B. Listen. Then number.
Tiếng của cô rẻ đó.
Không nghe được cái gì ta? Tích cho.
Yeah.
Rẻ có gì không?
I can't hear you, G. I can't hear you. Why?
Teacher.
Yeah, what's the problem?
Về có người về.
What is it, G? Can you see me? Can you see teacher?
No.
No? You can see me?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Đừng có động với cái tránh kia nó không lên.
Okay, so letter B. Listen, then number.
Listen. Number.
Yeah, can you listen first?
Page 38.
Page
B.
38.
Listen.
B.
Then
Listen.
number.
Then number 1.
What color is
What
it?
color is it?
It's purple.
It's purple, red, blue.
2.
Hi, how are you? I'm fine.
What is
3.
this? It's a car.
How many kites?
4.
4.
4.
How old are
How
you?
old are you?
I'm 6.
Okay, very good, G. So you are going to put a number. Okay, you put a number. Number 1,
It's a
what
purple.
color is it? Yeah, put number 1. Write number 1. Okay, hi, how are you?
No.
Number 2.
No.
Hi, how are you? Number 2. How many kites are there? There are? How many kites are there?
4.
Okay, there are 4 kites. How old are you? How old are you?
No.
Huh? Okay, can do number 1. Come on.
Purple. What color is this? It's purple.
Very good. Number 2.
Hi. Hello.
Number 3.
Yes.
Number 3.
How many kites? Four kites.
Very good. There are 4 kites. Okay, number 4.
What's your name?
Huh? What's your name? Is it what's your name? I think how old are you? How old are
How
you?
old are you? I'm 5.
I'm 5. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 6.
Okay, I thought you said I'm 5. It's okay. Good job, okay. Very good.
Now.
Yes. I read letter C. Please read letter C. Play.
Play the game.
Yeah, play the game.
What color is this?
What color? How many? First,
How many color is this? It's a red, yellow, white, blue,
what else?
red, orange,
Okay, very good.
green.
Okay. So let's start here, Chi. Come on, let's start here.
Brown is
What's that one?
yellow,
Here.
green is a blue.
Okay, no, not yet, Chi. Chi, not yet. We are going to count, okay? So first, one teacher ask you, what's this? What is this?
It's a boat.
Yes, very good. It's a boat. What are the colors of the boat?
It's yellow boat.
Yeah, very good. Yellow. Is it yellow? Okay, yeah. Okay, how many boats are there? How many?
Three boat. Three boat.
Say there are 3 boats.
There are 3 boats.
Yeah, very good. Number 2. What can I see here?
Green
Yeah, it's
is green.
okay. Color green. Very good. How about this one? What are these?
Crayon.
Yes, crayons. How many crayons? How many crayons
It's
are
a
there?
4 crayon.
Say there are.
There are 4 crayons.
Yeah,
It's
very good.
blue,
Color?
pink, yellow, and green.
Yes, very good. So blue, yellow, green, and pink. Okay, very good.
What is this?
Huh?
It's black.
Okay, so let's move on next. Okay, this one. What color? Huh? What's that one?
It's brown.
It's brown. Yeah. Yes, very good. How about this? These are?
There are 5.
What's that one? What do you call this one here? What is this?
It's a jet.
Yeah, very good. It's a jet. How many jets are there?
There are 5 jets.
Yeah, very good. Now, what are the colors of the jet? Color.
It's balloon.
Color.
Jet.
Color blue.
Color blue.
Blue color. What are the colors of the jet? Color.
Blue.
Blue and
Yeah.
yeah, very good. Blue and yellow. How about this one here?
Brown. Purple.
Yeah, very ball. Okay, very good. How about this one here? What are
Two
the two balls? Very good. Balls. Two balls. How about this one here?
It's brown.
Here, this one.
It's yellow.
That one is yellow. Yellow.
Yellow.
How about this?
It's dog.
Yeah, it's a dog. And there are only
Red. One.
one dog. Okay, very good. Can you tell the color of the hair?
Brown, blue, purple, red.
Yeah, very good. Okay. How about this one here?
Red.
Yes, very good. It's color red. Very
This one
good.
is yellow, brown, 5, 10, 3. This one is yellow, brown, 5, 10, 3, red, 8, an orange, an orange.
Okay, I cheat. Okay, what's wrong with the Firefox? Firefox is loading. My Firefox is loading. Wait a minute, okay.
Oh,
Okay, can you tell? Yeah, can you tell teacher what have you learned tonight? What have you learned tonight? What have you learned? About
one. This is no one. It's a yellow.
zero, then
1, 2,
One.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
very good. How about the colors? Can you tell what are those colors that we've learned?
Orange, blue, yellow, green, orange.
Yeah,
This no. Orange, blue, red,
red,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
purple,
purple, and what else? What else?
pink,
Pink. Anything else?
blue,
How about brown, white?
brown.
You forgot. Okay. Anything else? How about the toys? The toys that we've learned. Toys.
It's black.
Yeah.
Boat,
Boat,
dog,
ball,
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 balloon,
balloon. What else?
yellow,
Yo, yo,
yo-yo,
yo. Very good. What else?
it's on
What?
it's balloon,
Yeah, balloon.
balloon.
Okay, how about school supplies? School supplies. So, school supplies. Pencil,
School ball. What a school ball?
school supplies. Pencil, pen. You forgot. Okay.
Pencil, crayon, marker,
What else?
marker,
Yeah,
crayon, pen, pencil.
pencil. How about this one? Just like this. You forgot.
It's a paper.
Paper. What else?
Right. Paper, scissors, glue.
Glue. Very good. Glue, scissors. Scissors and
Hat.
Tent. Very good. Okay. What else, Chi? What else? Because on our next class, we will proceed to another unit.
Talk. Sing.
Huh?
Dance.
What? What is it?
Talk.
Hmm?
Talk. Sing.
Yeah.
But before Fluffy's ready for the Chinese, we get
How about hi? How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Hello. How old are you?
Tisha is what's your name?
Yeah. Hello. Chi, what's your name?
Tisha is Emma,
Emma.
Danny, Julie,
Yeah, very good. So Emma, Julie, Mike, and Danny.
Tisha,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Tisha,
What is it, Chi?
It's
What is it? What are the letters that we've learned from Unit 1 to Unit...
It's the alphabet.
Yeah, it's the alphabet that we've learned.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, S, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, alphabet, X, Y, Z.
Okay, Chi, good job. Okay, so on
Tisha.
our next...
Tisha.
Yeah, is it?
Tisha.
Yeah.
Is is
Yeah, what is it? Huh? Chi?
Tisha.
Yes,
Tisha.
on our...
Tisha.
Yeah,
Tisha.
yeah. You speak. What is it?
Talk.
On our next class, Chi, we are going to learn about letters and O, P, Q, R, S, T, V,
Tisha.
W, X, Y, Z.
Tisha.
Yeah, we are going
Tisha. Tisha.
Yeah, what is it? Okay. What can you picture? I have here. What do you call this one?
It's a turtle.
Yeah, very good. It's a
Turtle.
Huh?
Turtle. Your Tisha.
Yeah.
It's your turtle.
Yes, this is mine. My turtle. Mine.
Your turtle.
Yeah, mine. My turtle.
Tisha.
Gee, good job for tonight, okay? You did well
Tisha.
tonight. Yeah?
Tisha. It's Tisha.
Yeah, what is it?
It's
What? I can't hear you. Teacher can't hear you.
It's
What did you say? Yeah, what did you say, Chi? Okay, Chi, teacher will give you this one here.
What is
Okay. You did well tonight, okay? Good job for tonight. Teacher will give you.
What is this? Free candy.
Yeah, 3 candies. Okay, very good. So,
Tisha.
teacher gives you 3 candies. Okay? Because you did well tonight. Okay, good job for tonight.
This is my water.
Yeah. Okay, good job for tonight, okay? Let's do the clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Psst, psst.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, fountain cup. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Psst.
Teacher, it's teacher is A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q S T U V W X Y Z E F X Y Z.
Yes. Next week, Chi, we are going to learn about
Teacher,
unit 5.
teacher.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yes.
Okay, teacher will say bye-bye, Chi. Okay, good job for tonight, okay? You did well tonight, okay? You did well tonight, okay? Yeah?
Teacher.
Yeah, teacher will say bye-bye.
Teacher.
Yeah?
Teacher, how old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
3.
How about you? How old are
Six.
you? 6. Yes, I know you're 6. Okay? So see you next week, okay? So on our next class, we are going to learn Unit 6, okay? Unit 6. So good job for tonight. Teacher will say bye-bye. Bye.
Teacher.
Bye to teacher, bye. Say bye to teacher. Bye. Say bye, G.
Teacher.
G. Can you see me?
Huh?
You see teacher?
Yes, I see.
Okay. Okay. Teacher will say bye-bye because I will eat first. Teacher will eat. Yeah, I will eat. No. Hungry. Teacher is hungry. I'm hungry.
I'm no hungry.
Okay, see you, Chi. Bye.
I'm no hungry. I'm no hungry.
Bye-bye na, Chi. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye to teacher. Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye, Chi. See you next week.